have awesome real estate news. Guess what's buzzing in downtown Miami? The Brightline MiamiCentral hub is leveling up with some cool new tenants, including the latest scoop, an AT&T store, and Brooklyn Dumpling are setting up shop right in the midst of our urban playground. And this spot is becoming a hot ticket with its mix of retail, eats, and transit vibes all rolling into this incredible 2024. And Fatima Rosa, the brain behind Face Brow and Beauty Bar, is bringing her self care oasis to Miami Central too. And her spot in Brickell has been the go to place since 2014 for top notch brows and skincare. And she's about to spread that magic with a spacious new store in Miami Central. And AT&T is also dropping in with a 1,455 square foot store to keep us all hooked up and entertained. Slated to open this summer, is going to be your new pit stop for tech and telecom needs. And props to the Comras company for sealing these deals. They've got their fingers on the pulse, picking some prime spots for restaurants and retail, right where the action is heating up. And this will between Northwest 3rd Street and 7th Street on First Avenue. Miami Central isn't just another stop on the map, it's where you go for the best bites, sips, workouts, and office vibes with tenants like Joe and the Juice, Chick fil A, Starbucks, Powerhouse Gym, and office spaces. And it's not just about the now. With Miami World Center, Government Center, Bayfront Park, and more in the neighborhood, it is in the heart of the buzz. If you have questions, remember to subscribe to SERDNA Talks and to share all our videos with your friends and family. I have to go. See you soon.